In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize tasks using Timeline in Smartsheet, TimeView 2026. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com. This is where you'll access the latest TimeView experience. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we're doing today is straightforward, and you'll be able to follow along easily. Next, log into your Smartsheet account. You can sign in with your email and password or use single sign-on if your organization has it enabled. That's all you need here. Once authenticated, Smartsheet will take you to your home area automatically. After you land on home, look to the left sidebar. This is your main navigation hub. Click Create. The Create panel gives you quick ways to start new work without having to hunt for templates or settings, which helps you get moving faster. Now scroll down until you find the new workspace starting point. A workspace is simply a dedicated container for related items, sheets, dashboards, reports, and files. So keeping your timeline inside its own workspace makes it easier to manage permissions and keep everything organized. Think of it as a neat project folder that scales with your team. Within the new workspace starting point, you'll see multiple view-based starting points. These are curated setups that pre-configure the layout so you can focus on content rather than structure. Each one emphasizes a different way of looking at your work. Since our goal is to visualize tasks over time, we'll focus on the one designed specifically for scheduling. Click Timeline. Smartsheet will generate a new workspace with a timeline sheet ready to go. This setup includes the essential columns, typically a task name and date fields, and a horizontal timescale that displays your schedule as bars. It's designed to be intuitive. As you enter task names with start and end dates, the timeline populates instantly, giving you immediate visual feedback. You can zoom the timescale to weeks, months, or quarters, which is perfect for planning sprints or long-range roadmaps. If you're used to Gantt charts, the timeline view feels familiar but cleaner and more presentation-ready, especially for stakeholders who prefer a simple, uncluttered view. A few tips as you begin customizing. Keep task names concise and consistent so they're easy to scan. Use realistic start and end dates to avoid overlap confusion. And group related tasks with clear naming so your timeline reads like a story. If your plan supports color or labels, apply them consistently to highlight phases or ownership. And remember, you can always refine timescales as your plan evolves. Timeline is built to adapt as your project shifts.